More than 200 years ago, humanity started looking for auditory aids. A man named Alessandro Volta had this brilliant idea of inserting two metal rods in his ear and connected them to an electric circuit. Unsurprisingly, there was a boom inside his head. Although insane, he proved that perception of sound was possible through electrical stimuli. Nowadays, there are alternatives out there which can help revert deafness, mainly hearing aids and cochlear implants. But not everyone is deemed fit for one of these devices. If you are, the surgical procedure is highly invasive with side risks and an expensive maintenance, so it's not perfect. Inspired by this, we created the Nano ear. Our innovative idea is based on the condenser microphone. A condenser microphone is a device that makes use of a capacitor to make the conversion of acoustic into electrical signals. A capacitor is a device made from two conductive plates separated by a non-conductive material. When you connect a power source over the two plates, the positive pole will attract the electrons from one plate to the other. This will leave one plate negatively charged while the other is positively charged. When we disconnect the voltage source, the plates will remain charged because although the plates' charges are attracted to each other, they can flow through the insulating material between them. The capacitor will keep its charge until the electrons can flow somewhere else, like an LED. A condenser microphone is made by a capacitor where one of these plates has been attached to a diaphragm. The diaphragm is an elastic membrane which responds to mechanical stimuli, such as the vibrations in the air caused by sound. The diaphragm then pushes one of the plates closer to the other, changing the charge they can store and thus the current of the circuit. These current changes generate an electrical signal which can then be processed into sound. In the Nano ear, we take advantage of the elastic properties of DNA to build a diaphragm. To make this possible, we extracted DNA from a popular Mexican fruit, avocado. The 5' ends of the DNA are then thiolated. Then, a microfabricated structure coated with gold is used both as a scaffold for the diaphragm assembly and as the counter electrode for the capacitive structure. Finally, the gold nanoparticles are loaded onto the DNA membrane in order to enhance the diaphragm's conductivity. When the sound waves hit the DNA membrane, a signal with the same frequency is generated, and that signal may be processed and reconverted into sound. Since the device is sensitive to mechanical stimuli, it may also be applied in earthquake prevention and accelerometers for airbags. Membranes made from DNA may be as thin as 2 nanometers. This will result in a device capable of detecting a great variety of sounds, even those that aren't detected with regular microphones. In the near future, we think the dimensions of our device and its sensitivity will allow us to develop a cheaper instrument for a hearing aid and with a less invasive procedure of implantation.